Hey everybody, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we're going to do a quick vehicle walk-around tour of the 2022 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S580 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a white exterior, and we have a macchiato magma gray leather interior, heated and ventilated memory seats. Also have the premium Burmester sound system, upgraded speaker system. It's really nice wood grain trim throughout the vehicle. Sunroof stretching from front to the rear. Steering wheel. Huge touchscreen display. Fully customizable LED ambient lighting throughout the vehicle. You can change those to any different color combination you'd like, all within the menu system. Spacious, luxurious interior, just like you'd expect from the S-Class. Look at that sunroof. Quick peek back up front. Coming around to the rear, we've got our S580 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close, and one of my personal favorite features is the proximity sensing key with the retractable door handles. Super fun. But yeah, once you get within about 6 feet or so, it'll automatically open up for you. Very cool, very cool. Now, if you're interested in getting additional information about this 2022 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S580 4MATIC, just reach out to us on our website. Happy to answer any questions you may have, or you can set up a test drive. You can reach us at feldmanimports.com.